In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the comment and markup tools in Adobe Acrobat. If you review PDFs for work, school, or collaboration, these tools make it easy to add clear feedback without changing the original document. Start by opening your PDF in Acrobat, then go to Tools and choose Comment. This opens the comment toolbar along the top and the Comments pane on the right side of your screen. The toolbar is where you'll select tools. The pane helps you see everything you've added in one place. If you're using Acrobat Reader or Acrobat Pro and don't see the commenting tools, the file may have restrictions. In that case, you'll need a version of the PDF that allows commenting. To leave a quick note, use the sticky note tool, labeled Add a Comment. Click the icon in the comment toolbar, then click anywhere on the page where your remark should go. A small pop-up box appears. Type your comment there. Sticky notes are perfect for general feedback or instructions, especially when you want to refer to a section without marking up the text itself. If you need to revise your note later, simply double-click the note icon to reopen it. For visual tweaks or details like color and author label, right-click the note and choose Properties. Changing the color can help categorize notes by priority or topic, and setting a consistent author name keeps team reviews organized. When you want to mark the actual text, you have three main options: highlight, underline, and strike through. Use the Select Text tool, the regular cursor, to choose the words you want to reference. From there, you can apply a highlight to emphasize important content, underline to call out key phrases without overpowering the text, or strike through to indicate content that should be removed. You can apply these from the comment toolbar or by right-clicking the selected text and choosing the markup you need. This flexibility is handy when you're moving quickly through a document. You can also change the color of any markup to improve clarity at a glance. Click the highlight, underline, or strike through you added, and use the color picker that appears in the mini toolbar. If you prefer more control or want to set defaults, open Properties from the right-click menu. Consistent color choices, like yellow for highlights and red for deletions, make your feedback easy to read for others. That's it. With the comment tools open, sticky notes for context, and text markups for precision, you can review PDFs clearly and efficiently.